Namaskar. We are going to learn seascape with the help of palette and knife. We are going to make it in acrylic paints. So let's start.
We need palette knives of different sizes, whatever you have. We need brushes of different sizes. We need light blue color, little bit of any red. Then this is shiny teal blue, this aquamarine, and I kept it here. I mixed in white and made 4 shades. I have used little bit ultramarine color and I have 4 here which we will mix and which will come out as another color. This is baby pink with white. This is light green with white. This is purple color with white. This is beige with white and this is white. Here we have kept some beige color which we will use later on, and here we have some extra blue color, and we will be using little bit of lemon yellow. Here we have some teal blue. So let's start our work. We will start the painting from the top, okay, because our hand will come this way. Keep lots of waste cloth so that you can wipe your brushes and your knife. We need a pencil so that we can roughly draw the outlines where what we want to draw. Now, approximately 3/4 distance from the bottom, this is 30 centimeter, this is 40. So approximately at 20, I'm going to draw a line. This will be my horizon. Above this, we'll show the sky. Below this, we'll show the sea. Then here, I'm going to draw another line for aquamarine color. Here for another blue. Here for little yellow. Another line. And this is for the beige to show the sand. I hope it is clear. Let's start working. Knife painting is done actually very fast. It goes very fast. So I'm going to take white color first. This is the way I'll show you how we take the color in the palette knife. This is the way. See, hold the knife in ulta or reverse and take the color, and here we go. Spread it. My canvas is already gesso coated, so I'm not doing any coating. Now, the layer of light blue. This is contemporary style painting, so accuracy is not required in this. Next layer, light blue. Very light blue it is. Again, white. Will give some illusion of clouds. Now, little bit of pink, not too much. Don't press too hard, press lightly. We will use more of pink and purple. After doing this much, what we'll do, we'll take white color and we'll leave white color here. And now it's time to take the bigger knife. I'm going to smooth it like mason does. Our upper part is almost ready. Now I'm going to use any blue color you use. Now I'll start with green color. These will be the representing the waves on the shore. I'm using white color. It's titanium white. Now we have to do, last not the least, we have to mix this shade here. So for that, I'm going to pour little bit of lemon yellow. Various shades of yellow here. Use lemon yellow. Mix it nicely. You may not get same thing after drying. You may have to give finishing touches. Show little bit red color here in one corner. I'm also going to use little bit of pink color here. My pink color, and I'll spread it with the knife little bit, or we can just leave it like that. Automatically it will dry and mix.
Our Seascape 2 is ready. I hope you like the tutorial. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly like, subscribe and share Vandana's art. Thank you. Namaskar.